In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my final payment with Amtrak Vacations. To get started, head to the Amtrak trip summary page. This is where you'll review the details of your booking before moving forward with the last part of the checkout process. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the correct reservation and that everything shown matches the trip you're expecting to finalize. Once you're on the trip summary page, review the information carefully. This page gives you a quick overview of your booking, and it's a good place to confirm that your travel selections look right before you continue. If anything seems off, it's best to catch it here before moving on to payment. If needed, you can also add baggage allowances at this stage. This is useful if you know you'll be traveling with additional luggage and want everything included ahead of time. If you don't need to add baggage, that's perfectly fine. You can simply leave this section as it is and continue with the process. After reviewing your trip and making any baggage updates, click Continue. This will take you to the next section where you'll need to enter traveler information. On the traveler details page, it's important to fill out all required fields completely and accurately. Make sure the traveler information matches the details associated with the trip. Even small mistakes can sometimes cause issues later, so it's worth taking an extra moment to double check everything before moving on. Once you've completed all the traveler details, review the page one more time to make sure nothing has been missed. This step is especially important because incomplete or incorrect information can slow things down when you're trying to finish your booking. When everything looks good, click Continue again. This should bring you to the payment stage where you can review the amount due. At this point, check how much your final payment is. Before submitting anything, make sure the balance shown is what you expect. This is your opportunity to confirm the total and understand exactly what you're about to pay. It's always a smart idea to pause here and verify the amount, especially if you previously made a deposit or partial payment. Finally, proceed to payment. From there, you can complete the final payment for your Amtrak Vacations booking and finish the process. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully until the transaction is submitted, and that's it. Once your payment goes through, be sure to watch for the confirmation screen and keep any confirmation details for your records. That's how to complete your final payment with Amtrak Vacations.